Today, boys and girls, we are learning our numbers to 10 in Gaelic, and that's Àireamhan gu Jich. I'll say the number, you say it after me. Un. Ya. Three. Céhar. Cóic. Shia. Seach. Och. Nei. Jich. And one more time. Un. Ya. Three. Céhar. Cóic. Shia. Seach. Och. Nei. Jich. Now a little challenge. Guess the missing number. Jane Àireamhan Falav. Is it ya, shia, or un? It's un, gleva. Guess the missing number. Ya, 3, or shia? It's 3, gleva. Guess the missing number, quick. Ya, or Jich? It's Jich, gleva. Well done everybody, and thank you for listening and learning your numbers to 10 in Gaelic. If you see me in the corridor, maybe you could let me know your favourite number in Gaelic. My favourite number is Och.